Well, up in the upper decks of the ship here. We're up in the upper decks of the ship, Captain. Um, oh, yeah. Nice up here. Sunlight. Oh, yeah. I think I look kind of. I need my tan back. I look like a bleached out lunatic. Ah, suntan. It's sunny. Oh, well. So I think I was explaining before. Playing around with the internet for a while, I search out things and put them into playlists. I found there are two folks arrived in 2007, 2006 maybe. Canadian government, U.S. government, they filmed, and I might have got that on film because I had a camera bolted to the kind of to the wall that filmed everything, and then I'll keep finding stuff I forgot about, but I'm getting there. So I've been making a playlist. Ugh. Stuff I've forgotten about? Yeah, I guess I'll never will. Okay, so I did some replication of stuff now a couple of weeks ago. I'm not happy with it, but this iPad can't seem to handle the pulses from the generators. It's pretty severe pulses, very strong pulses. So, yeah, EMP pulses and electromagnetic interference, that kind of thing. This is kind of like Star Trek up here with this dome light thing, you know? Which is kind of cool. So our computer room is downstairs, and that's where I use iPad. Plugged into the wall. I don't have wireless, so I just use iPad. Am I recording? I think I am. Ugh. Oh, let's see, where is that recording? The sun is being blocked by clouds a little bit right now. Oh, you can see I'm getting sunlight. Oh, this is quite a view. Holy shoot. Wow. I don't come up here that much. That's kind of amazing. I'll share that with you. Whoever watches these videos, I don't know. Anybody. Let's see if I can do this, okay? Kind of cool, isn't it? The staircase go down here. Clunk, clunk, clunk. this way. Smoking room, kind of dark in here. But anyway, it's kind of light here. And I'll put this over here. This is where normally I get invitation for podcasts, and that's where I stick this thing when talking. Oh, been watching videos, drawing up plans for better improved Hutchison effect demos. I got some construction work and more equipment to refurbish. Excuse me while I smoke. You don't mind me smoking, do you? Probably not. I am such a nicotine person, you know. I love smoking. So I still like Nutty as a fruitcake. However, no, I'm sorry. I'm not one of those serious type scientists. No, not me. No, I'm a kid. I never grew up. I don't want to grow up. I'm a neurotic, highly sexual individual. Not into politics, not into anything really. Just vintage, ancient engineering and electronics and arms and machine tools, right? Right. Acting goofy half the time, which I love doing. I love acting bloody goofy, you know. It's the only way to be, is cheerful and positive, you know? No point being a crabby old fart. I'm not a crabby old fart, number one. Easy O's out. I was shocked. I gotta get rid of these baggy eyes, alright? I must get rid of those baggy. I look so terrible, you know. I don't know what else to do. Not a hell of a lot. As I mentioned, my friend from China is coming over, so we'll have some good talks. He came over some years ago. He's head of a major project over there, building this massive park. I think in honor of Confucius. He sent me a lot of videos over many years and pictures. I'll be ready for him. Twinkie, twinkie, twinkle. But anyway, it'll be interesting, that's for sure. Yeah, I know. Whoops. Cannot have it falling over, you know. You know, the internet's so full of funny news. Some of it's fake, some of it's over dramatized, some of it's crazy as a lunatic. It's pretty weird what's going on. See, all the news medias. You have Gestapo in the USA running around, beating and killing people. Who would ever think that World War II or Germany, Nazi Germany, would appear in a free country? That is really freaky stuff. It's news. I'm just commenting on what I see on main news. It's weird. I don't know. Saw some good videos of Preston Nichols, thanks to the Technology Envoy YouTube channel. I keep watching Bob Greener's videos and other videos. And lately, I was asked to make playlists of videos. And I have my own videos, and I have no idea what's on them. I got a rough idea, but a lot of stuff that's not even, I don't think, made it to the hard drives. Several terabytes of hard drives of videos. I have no idea what's on them. Been a number of years since I've been copied, so I really don't know. Well, I'll find out. Oh, yeah, so Nutty's a fruitcake still. I'm always Nutty as a fruitcake. Grow up? No, I can't be bothered. Yeah, let's see. Brushing my hair. Gotta keep well groomed, you know, especially making an ass of myself on YouTube. At least be an ass that looks half decent, I think. Although a bit washed out looking. Oh well. So I sit here, work the iPad, and internet stuff, talk to EVO, and usually in the morning, a little bit at nighttime, yeah. And then I go over to the lab building and I do stuff. So what do you think of me so far today? Hmm? Oh, I love how they always say, oh, please subscribe and smash that bell. I say don't bother. It's not worth it. Don't subscribe and look and beg for subscribers. No. Nothing to watch anyway. Got a bunch of old stuff I used to do. Plus my own nonsensical videos. Yes, I definitely need lipstick. A bit of eye makeup, and that should look better than a washed out lunatic like I am now. What do you think, number one? Let's get a good screenshot. Yeah, not too bad, you old fart. Anyway, if you want to find out what I used to do, and still doing, I got made several playlists. I got the government stuff. I found a mysterious. Let's see. Last night, a government. I was talking about that in the other room. Two professional men showed up. Actually, more than that over the years. Filmed, then vanished and reappeared or uploaded on YouTube. Apparently, Canadian government, Department of National Defense, somebody from the Department of Defense, USA, sent a mysterious email from Ivan, who showed up with his lady friend and filmed too. Then I found another video of somebody coming in and going through my documents and metal samples. So, I mean, so many people come and go in that apartment that I forget, but I found them and saved them to a playlist. I call TV interviews. Other one is government stuff, because they had a camera covering a lot of this stuff. This worker was at bolted to one of my, I think the side of the door or something. I got these people on film, and also myself on film, doing something. It was a controlled test of the Hutchison effect with government agents. It shows me rearranging where things lifted off, and I put them back and do it again. So controlled experiment stuff. 2005, I believe. Around the same time, I met ex-Congressman Berkeley Bedell and his wife, who showed up at my place. Then also Dennis Kucinich, who's a member of Congress. Yeah, I guess so. So I gave him a bunch of metal samples. Then other folks. It's just an amazing amount of people that used to come and go in those days in that apartment. Crazy. Well, mostly TV shows, TLC TV, Discovery Channel, Fox TV. Usually several personnel per week for years, number of years. A lot of people. Then the investors, when I made power cells for the Japanese and for the German Messer family, Ria Trade Business Group, also engineers Tarzan, who else was it? Hal Petoff, Ken Shoulders, many other folks, diplomats, what was that all about? Bankers, Japanese folks, government people. But I have all their cards, so I'm not making up stories. I have their cards and their letters, by the way. Excuse me. I kept trying to corral it all into a more comprehensive. Well, I got nothing to do with that. So I use iPad, find the info, post it, put it in playlists, and that kind of thing. So something to do at night. It's interesting. It's just, you get in those moods where you want to organize something. I've been doing that. The paper documents are immense, not as bad as the Epstein file. Whatever that's all about. So, I'm busy. But I like being physical, building stuff, machining stuff, engineering stuff. And understanding vintage electrical engineering and machining things. Because there's a huge amount of lost stuff in vintage technology, right? So I learn a lot. stretch, but anyway. Learn, 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 learn. Yeah, I'll be Carla again, don't worry. Once I get my dresses on, I'll be glad to know. No, yeah, sure. Mr. Happy Face. So I'm trying to find. I found some stuff going back 20 years in good quality condition. Holy mackerel. That's pretty cool. But watching the new release of Preston Nichols videos on the Montauk radar station. What a waste of equipment. Should bring it to me and I'll look after it. ANFR24 receivers are modular design in Iraq. And up from that is the ANFR23, 22s. I got those. The little later version of that. Those I do have. But engineering of these things is amazing, and I learned a lot from that. So that's stuff. I just got in a NASA R390/URR that was through a smoke. It's just smoke damage only, so it's cleaning up nice. I found also a control panel for Ordnance Navy. That was good. A small radar scope set system. And also a UHF switching panel. So I gotta clean that up, these things, and put them away. Then I got ideas for building something. So keeping busy. Just call me a busy hobbit. A busy hobbit. How many minutes now? Ooh, 23 minutes. Talk. So when spring comes, I'm getting back in my skirts and enjoying my sunbathing for an hour or two. Wow. Okay, well, we're happening unit. Yeah, I'm thinking of something. I sure knew a lot of people, and I'm sure a huge number of them have passed away and are also forgotten about. Because we all have our heyday, and I'm in that frame of being forgotten about. It doesn't bother me any, it's a matter of just changing to something else. It's all fun. I got lots more to do. So, let's see, I'll keep working on gathering those videos, even from different countries. It's amazing. The amount of stuff in videos and TV shows. One of my favorite TV shows, TLC's, Sasha Flipment Entertainment Group. Some of them get blocked on YouTube for some reason. So I'm trying to find those. all I do is click on save and it goes to my playlist. John's playlist. I found Paris Hilton stuff. I uploaded that to the playlist. I found many other stuff. A lot of that stuff goes back to the 90s. So that's been going on since the 90s. Even when I was working for the Navy warships, the Artificial Reef Society of British Columbia, Canada, 4 Navy ships I worked on 5 years. Even then I was doing shows. I did one of the shows on HMCS Columbia. And I think also Saskatchewan. So my thing, my love and joy is scrapyards and warships, so I spend all my time on them. The free energy stuff I'd make at nighttime, because I have all these contracts with people to make free energy machines. So I spent about a couple hours only on them, because I knew how to build them. But my clients could never find a manufacturing company. Came close, especially when the Chinese were going to put 24 million into production for the Reatrade Business Group, and the president was Joe Ho, Carl David Anderson, and a bunch of others. I made a free energy device for it, got them out of hot water, because somebody scammed them. And I promised to make them a power unit. About the same time, Dr. Pudoff came visiting me and George Hathaway. Then that went into the Japanese people and Tar Sands Canada. Chief Engineer Richard Brewer, the Messer family, Thomas Messer. So, and all, they pay me, they fund me to do these things. So I build them, they try and find a company, but we get it all tested, like Kyoto Institute of Technology for validation of it's real. Canada Research and Development people in Vancouver who didn't know what to do, but say go to the military, they might go into manufacturing. Also to DARPA, I gave some stuff. Dr. Bud Durand, a whole sheet of information, but that didn't go through proper channels or something like that. I have all that stuff, if you ever want to see it. On that note, I think I'll shut up now and get ready for something. But I shall return. Right? Right. Okay, I'll shut up for now.